As a customer or experience leader, you're going to be often asked to present key insights to your executive level peers to enable them to make decisions to improve retention. One of the tools that you'll typically reach for is word clouds, and I'm going to show you how you could potentially improve the effectiveness of your communication by going beyond word clouds and delivering more impactful insights. So let's start by defining what word clouds are. And simply, as the name suggests, they're a bunch of words that represent the meaning from data. Typically, the size of the words represent the volume. We add context through color, red being negative, green being positive, and blue typically neutral. So what's wrong with this? Well, first of all, it's usually an approximation of what's happened, not why, which can often lead to your executive level peers understanding what has happened and not why and what next. Second of all, it doesn't allow for precise communication of information, definitely around the prioritization, which means that often the insights are very broad and not specific, which means that they're not actionable. And then thirdly, they don't allow for comparison. So again, you're not adding context that will allow people to make effective decisions. So what can you do about it? Well, the formula that I've seen being used really effective is a really simple approach. And that approach is a three-step process. Number one is to identify the driver, which is usually a topic. And you're going to add context to that by understanding the volume of that topic. We can deepen that insight by adding the layer of our employee emotion. And then from that, we can reach an insight. So if I was to give you an example for Starbucks, we've just analyzed thousands of rows of data. We can start to see, for example, that mobile app is driving 4% of the volume. So that's the key driver. Mobile app is driving 4% of the volume. We can add context to that by saying that the mobile app is driving 14% more sadness compared to any other driver. So obviously people aren't happy with the mobile apps. And the so what is that if we were to actually resolve this issue, that it would actually improve the NPS by 3%. So you can see what I'm doing and computing what the audience would actually want to understand and know to then reach a prescriptive insight.